Welcome to Cooking with Cass. Today we're going to be making a super creamy buffalo chicken style mac and cheese. We'll begin by melting 6 tablespoons of butter over medium heat. Once that's all melted down, we'll add in 6 tablespoons of flour and whisk until smooth. We're looking to make a loose roux so our cheese sauce doesn't get too firm later. Next, we'll stream in 3 cups of milk. This can be intimidating, but just trust the process and you'll end up with a great roux. I typically add 3 to 4 tablespoons of milk at a time, but as your roux gets more and more smooth, you can add more or less milk to your comfort level. Make sure to whisk constantly so the roux doesn't burn to the bottom. This process can take some time, but be patient and you'll end up with the delicious cheese sauce at the end. Once all the milk has been added, bring your roux to a light simmer over medium heat and add 2 cups each of cheddar and Monterey Jack cheese. I recommend shredding your own cheese. It always melts better than the pre-shredded stuff. If your sauce starts to look too thick, you can always add a tablespoon or 2 of milk just to loosen it up. I wanted my sauce to be very loose, so I decided to add more. Then we added half a cup of hot sauce. I had cooked a whole chicken a couple days before this shoot and wasn't entirely sure what to do with the leftovers, so I decided that adding this to the sauce would work perfectly. Next, we'll add about a half a cup of gorgonzola. My shooting partner and I don't really like this cheese, but we can both admit that it adds a nice flavor to the buffalo sauce. Once that was melted, we added our pasta. I wanted to use large shells for this because they're my favorite, but macaroni or rotini would also be good with this. Give that a good mix and that's it. Your buffed up mac is ready for the big game. Let us know what you think in the comments and we'll see you next Friday with another tasty halal recipe.